Today is April 12th, and if you look at the inside of our home, and this is approximately around 6:45, the fans are not running. Fans are not running because fans are not required. There is so much coolness inside our house. And just now I read in the internet that Bangalore suffered 41 degrees centigrade temperature outside, and sitting inside covered with the urban evergreen jungle, we didn't feel it. So there is a point I want to make as I go out. The urban evergreen jungle has so many utilities and giving us a cool summer against this hot temperature of ever rising Bangalore is a huge benefit. Remember, this is only one house with this kind of green cover, covered with the concrete jungle all in all direction. That means while other cement based jungle around our houses are helping to increase the temperature, here we are able to cool the temperature. Agree, it is not just the green cover. Wherever I don't have green cover, we do have coverage of coconut leaves and couple of buckets of water, say 8 to 10 buckets of water thrown on this past the peak temperature time of the day helps to cool it further. So urban evergreen jungles benefit is the maximum in summer is the cooling effect. It's not just that. It is also a kind of a warning and a hope for humanity, the future of the humanity. Bangalore used to stay below 30 during summers thanks to the thick green cover and lakes it had. In the 80s, when the temperature started hitting 34, we all were concerned. Then the maximum temperature went up to 37. And we became concerned further. And today the temperature is hitting 41 and we are no more concerned because we are getting used to this. What's happening is, in the name of development, we are becoming more and more so-called intelligent, but we are becoming less and less smart. People may think that this urban evergreen jungle is quite archaic and it is kind of a hippie life. It is wrong. In fact, this is the future of humanity. The humanity cannot grow like this just by yielding to satanic ways of life and unlimited growth fueled by greed will only bring disaster. Imagine once upon a time we could drink water right from the river. Today we still are able to gasp oxygen from the air freely. There will be a day where we will buy oxygen like gas cylinders for cooking. So, if we are growing mindlessly without understanding the basic necessities of life and our harmony for that with the nature, we will pay a huge price. Today, we are buying water in bottles. Tomorrow, we will buy oxygen in bottles. So, while we make so much progress with technology, we will be paying huge prices by letting go the harmony with nature. Urban evergreen jungle is a very serious project. While it looks funny, while it looks hopeless, it is the hope of humanity. Humanity needs to return to harmonize with nature while going leap and bounds in developments, whether it is technology or otherwise. We cannot afford to ignore nature. Today, it is not just humans who are in trouble, it is also so many beings, whether it's insects, birds, or other mammals. The mindless growth of humanity has put all of them in jeopardy. Everybody knows today that if the bees vanish from this earth, humans will not survive more than 3 months. Yet we don't feel the threat because we have become so insensitized by this development.